Next, we're on to 2.4. This is data processing. So we have both automatic and manual, and it's just as the name says, it's automatic done by itself, or manual, someone has to intervene to get it done. So data processing, manual processing uses human effort while automatic uses computers for everything. The choice depends on speed and accuracy needs and also price sometimes. So manual processing is done by humans without automated tools. So someone who will have to sit there and manually do things time and time again. It is typically slower and more prone to errors because humans make mistakes. When someone is tired, they make more mistakes. Examples: handwriting, data entry. So if I had to handwrite everything I had to put into a computer, then I would make a lot more errors than if the computer was listening or monitoring and putting that data in itself. Next, we have automatic processing done by computers with little human input. That does not mean no human input, simply little human input. A human has to create the program, a human has to turn it on, a human has to run the program. It is typically faster and more accurate. Examples: barcode scanning and payroll system. Now, barcode scanning is a bit of a weird one because someone has to scan the barcode. However, this can be done automatically. For example, in the Amazon warehouses, they have items sliding down a conveyor belt, and depending on where it's going, it diverts it to a different belt. Now, even if this was in a shop, think about it like this. I'm going to use my barcode scanner. I'm going to scan the item. The system is going to go check the price. It's going to go check the stock. It's going to add it to the basket. It's going to make sure that it applies a discountiveness. It's going to do all of that stuff simply by me doing that one action. So as much as it's not fully automatic, it is automatic to a certain degree. And we also have something here called payroll systems. You guys are probably too young to understand or make use of this yet. If you're not working part-time, for example, payroll systems are automatic systems that, for example, when you work at a restaurant like McDonald's or Nando's or KFC, you might come to work and you might tap in. And let's say you tap in at 8 a.m. and you tap out at 8 p.m. The system is going to calculate by itself that, okay, this person worked 12 hours on Monday and they're getting paid, let's say for argument's sake, £10 an hour. So £10 an hour for 12 hours, that's £120. And the system might also calculate how much tax you have to pay, how much national insurance you have to pay, and how much student loan you have to, like, it does all of that stuff for you automatically. Please keep in mind, these are not the only examples. I just gave some really brief, simple ones here. If you can think of any process that's automatic or any process that's manual, then please, by all means, go ahead and use those examples as well.